Hey guys, so today we're going to be making a nice Connects butterfly. So let's start. First things first, we're going to get this here. Place this through here, 2 of these, 1 of these, place this on, 1, 2, like so. Then you're going to turn it upside down. You're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 of these, and then put this on. After that, you're going to, so this is the body, and now you're going to build the wings. Alright, first things first, get 2 of these. And then once you build one wing, build another one, and then get it here, place it on, like so. As you can see, here it is. Here's the finished butterfly. As you can see, you can move the wings up and down, and you can build some cool stuff with this. So yeah, here it is. Here's from the top, here's from the front. So yeah, here it is. I hope you guys like it. Here it is. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe to my videos. Bye guys.